Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, it's so nice to meet you. For today's video we are making Ariana Grande inspired bunny ears, which are super cute and it's very easy to make. So let's get started. So you will need some bendable wire, some pliers, so you will need some fabric. I'm using a black net fabric. You can use any kind of fabric you have in your house. It can be silk or cotton or anything you like. You will need needle and thread to sew the fabric. Lastly, you will need super glue. Please be careful with super glue, it's really dangerous. So you're gonna take the wire and then you're gonna use any kind of round shaped bottle you have in your house, and you will bend the wire around the bottle to create a circle shape. Now just cut it out. Now take the pliers and bend the wire to make bunny shaped ears. It will look like this. Now glue the bunny ears together using the super glue, and be extra careful while using super glue. So it will look kind of like this. As you can see, the glue is really strong and it's not falling apart. Now take the headband and place the headband between the two bunny ears like this, and then hold it together and glue everything down using super glue. It will look like this after the glue is dry, and you can see it already got the shape of a bunny ears headband. Now take some net fabric. You can use any kind of fabric you have, and then you have to just sew them on the bunny ears. it's taking me forever. Let's just skip to the end. So finally, after it's done, it will look like this. I just bended the ends of the wire so that it doesn't damage any doll hair. So this is how it will look like after you put this on your doll, and I think it looks super cute. By the way, I made this whole outfit, and if you liked it, please let me know in the comments. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, and if you didn't, then dislike. And if you have any kind of video requests, please let me know in the comment section below. I always read your guys' comments. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is dollsIlove, and I will see you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay home, stay beautiful. Bye, angels.